Well, hello everybody. Feeding time for me, but you know, more and more reports are coming out on this where they're trying to stop people from growing backyard gardens, having chickens, cattle, horses, or whatever. They come out and said that backyard gardens was put 5 times more carbon in the atmosphere than conventional farming. Can you believe that? Growing a third of an acre of a garden or a little square, 200 by 200 puts more carbon in the. They want to do away with cattle. And hogs and chickens, and they want everybody to eat their processed foods. And one reason is, the last time around with the old hokey pokey where people didn't take it, well, he'll be in your food that you eat. They're already putting cricket meal in and stuff, and it's just got a code. It don't say it's in there, but it's got a code, CF something or other. I forget what it is. We are going to have to put a stop to this, people. I mean, this concerns our food. Just think about it, what they're trying to do. They're trying to control our food. They're trying to tell you what you can eat. They're trying to tell you what you can drive, where you can live. They're trying to control energy. We went from being self-sufficient on fuel to being an exporter. Now they've cut, I've changed his nickname from China Joe Biden to Hitler Biden. He stopped the export of LP gas, and that's really to punish Texas. They're letting all these illegals in, and if you get a traffic ticket, you're going to pay a fine. If you get DUI, you're going to jail. But these immigrants, they just got through beating the shit out of some cops in New York City, and when they stuck them in jail, they turned them right back loose. We're going to have to get out and vote in massive numbers, people. We're going to have to change this country back. Now, this is, our foods, is most important. We can't let them go to screwing with our food and food production. You've got all these farmers in Germany and France, protesting like shit in the Netherlands where they're trying to stop farming. We're just in so much trouble. If we don't stand up this time, people, and come out in massive numbers and vote, we got to go county by county. We have got to get people to come out in massive numbers from county to county in each of our states. We can't let these big cities dictate, they want everybody on public water. They're trying to put these public water through counties, in rural areas that and put fluoride in that stuff. If that's what city people want to drink, that nasty water, that's more power to them. But I don't want it. I don't want their factory-grown meat. I don't want their factory-grown vegetables. It's fake meat, fake news, fake politicians. They're on the take. They're bought and paid for. We have got to stop this, people, and turn this country around. And remember, it's going to be the most important election in your lifetime. Stand up for President Trump, because he's just standing there. If they knock him down, they're going to steamroll over us. It's amazing. You're on the list if you buy a Bible. If you buy a gun, if you speak at a PTA meeting. I mean, we got to take this country back. This is ridiculous. God bless you. And good Lord willing, I'll see you next time. Remember, let's pray for our country. Let's pray for President Trump and each other, and that Israel succeeds and wipes Hamas off the face of the earth. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.